dear student, welcome to Social Science Passing Package video series. This is my third video on this passing package. So if you are comparing to my first two videos, this is a very important and helpful video for all of you. Here I brought something new for you, which will help you to get more marks in a short time. So you are thinking, what is that? Getting a more marks in a short time. So that is, see there, that is a multiple questions and a single answer. So what is this multiple questions and a single answer? So it's like I will tell you how it is work on it. Okay, here in this video I have discussed seven answers. So if you perfect in these seven answers, then you are able to write more than 30 questions, whichever they are going to ask in an exam. So I'm telling after watching this video, definitely you feel that you'll get a more marks in a short time. Okay, so students, once again I welcome you to my UV Talk channel. So please share this video to your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel, because I already have uploaded more than 185 plus videos. And even most important thing is that, students, in future also you'll get a more interesting video from my YouTube channel. Now let's move on the questions. See there, the students, the first question is on your screen. What are the effects of cyclones or floods or earthquake? See there, what are the effects of the cyclones, or what are the effects of the floods, or what are the effects of the earthquake? Whatever they are going to ask, you should write the this answer only. See there, the answer should be same. They can ask you the question like, what are the effects of the cyclone, what are the effects of the floods, what are the effects of the earthquake? The answer is loss of life, B, loss of property, C, loss of crops, loss of vegetation, spread of diseases, disruption of essential service. So these 6 points you are going to write. If they ask you the 3 marks question in exam, you just write that loss of life, loss of property, loss of crops, loss of vegetation, spread of diseases, disruption of the essential service. So for these 3 questions, you should write this answer only. Okay. Now let's move on the next question. Here the second question is on your screen. What are the precautionary measures, remedies, if the precautionary measures or remedies to be taken for cyclones or a floods or a landslides or an earthquake or a coastal erosion? So whatever they are going to ask in exam, if they can ask you the question, what are the remedies taken for the cyclones, you can write this answer only. If they can ask you from the floods, if you ask you from the landslides or earthquake or a coastal erosion, whatever question they are going to ask you, so you write the this answer only. The If you write point by point, first one is through the afforestation, you can precautions the cyclone, floods, landslides, earthquake, and coastal erosion. And early warnings, through the early warnings, you should be precautions about avoid minings, you stop the minings, and creating the awareness among the people, through the create the awareness amongst the people. And next is temporary shelters. You should give them the temporary shelters and providing medical help. Through the providing the medical help, you should be take the measures. And next, supply of the food and water. So through the supply of the food and water, you can also take the precautionary. So from these things. Okay. The next question is, see there, the next question is on your screen. The third question is, which factors influence the localization of industries? So it's not only particular industry, whatever it's the iron and steel industries, or it's the aluminum industry, or it's the sugar industries, or it's the rubber industries, whatever. So the whichever factory it is, so this answer, it must be, it's a fixed answer, whatever. So whatever industry you are going to be uh, open, the localizations like this: the supply of raw materials, supply of power, transport, communication, market facilities, capital, labor and water supply, government policies. Whatever. If they can ask you the question about the iron and steel industry, or the aluminum industry, or the sugar industry. So whatever question they are ask you, you should write the this answer only. So all these points you should write. Okay, you'll get the marks easily. So the next question is today. See there. What were the aims or teachings or objectives of the Brahma Samaj, or Arya Samaj, or Pratna Samaj? So what there are many social reformers came to India, and they have tried to reform many things in our society. So it is about the Brahma Samaj of Raja Ram Mohan Rai, or it's about Arya Samaj or the Pratna Samaj. All these social reformers aims or teachings or objectives are same. So if they can ask any question in this, should read this only. Okay, they oppose the monotheism, they are forced to the child marriage, they are forced to the polygamy, They are forced to the meaningless rituals, and they try to bring the equality among the men and women, and they oppose the caste system. So whatever it is about the Brahma Samaj, or it is the Arya Samaj, or it is a Pratna Samaj, whatever question they are going to ask, should write this much only. Oppose the caste system, equality among the men and women, opposed to meaningless rituals, opposed to polygamy, opposed to child marriage, opposed to monotheism. Okay. See there. The next question is, what are the aims or objectives or purpose the Damodar river or Damodar river valley project ಇರಬಹುದು, or Koshi river valley project, or Bhakrananga river valley project, or Nagarjuna Sagar river valley project, or Hirakud river valley project, or multi-purpose river valley project? Whatever question they are going to ask you in exam, so you must take this answer only. You'll get the marks easily. So the first thing is control of flood, second is fishing, third is afforestation, fourth is control of soil erosion, fifth is domestic use, sixth is entertainment, seventh is generation of the electricity, eighth point is irrigation, the ninth point is water supply to industries. So these points all are whatever the aims. So the aims of the multi-purpose river valley project is the fishing, control of floods, domestic use, generation of electricity, irrigation, water supply to the industries, control of soil erosion, afforestation. So these all point are, if you write in the exam, you'll get the easy marks. Okay. Now let's move on the next question. See this student. The next question is on your screen. What are the functions of banks or service offered by the banks, or use of banks, or advantages of opening bank account? So here they can ask you the any question. Sometimes they can ask you the question like, what are the functions of the banks? Or sometimes they can ask you the question, what are the service offered by the banks? Or sometimes they can ask you the question, what are the use of banks? And sometimes they can ask you the question, what are the advantages of opening bank account? Whatever they are going to question ask you in exam, so they can ask any these questions, so you should write the same answer here whatever I given here. So sometime they can ask you the 3 marks question. If they can ask you this question for 3 marks, so if you write this point, so this 6 point, then definitely you get the full marks. So definitely you get a 3 marks. Okay. See there, the first point is the what are the functions of the bank, or the service offered by the banks, or use of banks, or advantages of the bank opening bank account. Here the first point is student, transfer of money. So it is the first. Second is safe deposit locker. Third is providing loans. The fourth is safety of money. The fourth is safety of money. And fifth is discounting of bills. And fifth is sixth is making payments. So these are the point: transfer of money, safe deposit locker, providing loans, safety of money, discounting of bills, and making payments. So these points, if you write this much, then you'll get the easily marks. Okay. I told, once again I'm telling you, so please this video until the end. And also before it also I uploaded 2 videos, passing package video, social science passing package video series part 1 and part 2 already uploaded. You can also watch those videos also, because in those first and second videos I discussed about the 1 marks in multiple choice question, and here I'm going to discuss 3 marks questions. So in future also, so after this next I'm going to upload the new video, and there I'm going to discuss with you about the 4 marks and 2 marks questions. Okay. See there. So the next question is on your screen, student. The next question is, what are the importance of or uses of agriculture, or industry, or transport, or communication? So they can ask you the any question. Sometimes they can ask you the question like, what are the importance of agriculture, or sometime what are the importance of industry, or sometime what are the importance of the transport, or sometime what are the importance of the communication. Whatever question they are going to ask you. So you can ask, if they can ask you this question, if you ask any question among this, so you should write the same answer like, see there, the answer you should go into like this. The first point is it increase the national income. Okay. The first point is it increase the national income. The second is increase of per capita income. The third is increase in GDP. The fourth is provide employment. The fifth is earn foreign exchange. The sixth point is development of economy. So next point is rise in standard of living. So here I discussed the 7 point. I think okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 point I discussed here. So whatever questions they are asked you in the exam, it is the use of agriculture and industry, or transport, or communication. So you should write these points: increase national income, increase per capita income, increase in GDP, it's provide the employment, and it's earn foreign exchange, and it develop the development of the economy. So next, it's rise the standard of living. So these points you can write they will get the easily 3 to 4 marks. Okay, the see there. So here I discussed with you 7 questions. I hope definitely you like my video ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂತಾರೆ so these whatever the questions are discussed here, so these 7 questions are very important, and these are the most expected question for the your upcoming exam. Okay students, so you can also follow me on the Facebook, Insta and Twitter also. So just you go to YouTube and just type the EV Talk Grammar. You will get more than 185 plus videos of the about English grammar, about this social science, English medium social science, and also about this spoken English. So you can also join our WhatsApp group. So if you join our WhatsApp group directly, you'll get the link our new videos. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in future also you'll get more interesting video from the my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video.